Everyone in my house is crazy eating ripe bananas 2 times a day. After knowing this, banana is a super tropical fruit, rich in numerous nutrients, including sucrose, fructose, glucose and fiber. Therefore, banana works as a powerful booster of natural energy. One study says, 2 bananas can provide enough energy for a strenuous 90-minute exercise. This is why banana is the ideal fruit for a number of outstanding athletes. On the other hand, bananas have many other health benefits they bring in the fight against various diseases. 1. Depression. Many people who suffer from depression experience significant improvement after ingesting banana, according to a study conducted by Mind. Bananas are rich in tryptophan, which turns into serotonin, a neurotransmitter that brings you to relax, boost your mood and can help you overcome depression. Bananas are a rich source of vitamin B6, which has the ability to normalize blood sugar levels and improve your mood. 2. Anemia. Regular consumption of bananas can contribute to treat anemia due to its high levels of iron. Iron stimulates the production of red blood cells and therefore increases hemoglobin levels in the blood. 3. Blood pressure. Banana is rich in potassium and low in sodium, which is the right combination for a correct blood pressure. Therefore, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has confirmed fruit's ability to lower blood pressure and protect against stroke. 4. For the brain. A study of 200 students at a school in Twickenham, England, found that eating bananas can increase brain power. Participants consumed bananas at breakfast, recess and lunch, and the results showed that this fruit improved their learning ability and aided their exams because of the high levels of potassium found in bananas. 5. Ulcers. The softness and soft texture of the banana is the main reason why it is used as a natural remedy for intestinal problems. It has the ability to coat the lining of the stomach and thus reduce irritation and excess